Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I am going to do this mask today. This is from the Creme Shop and it says PSL, Printed Essence Sheet Mask, limited edition. It has pumpkin seed oil, which is firming, squalane, which is moisturizing, and lactic acid, which is youth promoting. So, but look at it says, what does that say? Bear. This says bear, and then this says latte. One of my favorite things. I got this mask from CC Straw Size Life, and I got it for Halloween, and I haven't had a chance to do it, so I'm doing it now while it's still fall. And it says, for youthful, glowing, beautiful skin, beautiful skin. Treat your skin to a spectacular blend of smoothing pumpkin seed oil, squalane, and we already said all that. Okay, so let's put it on. I have a couple things to go over with you today. I have my winner from last week's Mask Monday. I did a collab with Kim's Happy Place. I always like to smell these. It doesn't really have a scent, I don't think. It's got printed stuff on it, so it's super cute. It's so nicely saturated. The Creme Shop masks are just so nicely saturated, y'all. And, excuse me, have y'all had a good weekend? And it's really getting we've had such a lovely, lovely, lovely autumn, fall, whatever you want to call it here. I need my PSL. Okay. Is that pumpkin spice latte? Is that what PSL is? I think that is, isn't it? Ooh, it's so cold. It's been very warm here. We had a couple weeks back, we had some overnight freezes, like 3 in a row, where there was frost on the roof and everything. And then during the day, it would be in the 60s, in the 50s or 60s. I don't know that we ever were in the 50s, maybe once, in the 60s. And then we've been in the 70s, and we've hit 80 a couple times, and that's still to come this week coming up. But the weekend, we had rain, so it was a little cooler. We need rain so bad, so it was good to get it. It was supposed to be stormy, and it never was, so that is good. I know that some areas got storms, so I hope everybody is, doing well where they're at with the storms, if they had storms and everything was okay. So this is very cute. There's the bear. I'm not sure what that says. I think it says Creme Shop. Creme. I'm not sure what that says. Cute, cute, cute. There's a latte. The cute little latte. And some leaves and things on there. Oh, it feels great. Feels great. Okay. And so I'm going to announce my winner from my Mask Monday with Kim. And any channels that I mention, I'll put in the description so that you know, okay? I think, let's see, this says, place mask on, clean face, enjoy 10 to 15 minutes. Check out your new glow, okay? It says a slight tingling is normal. Discontinue use if strong tingling occurs, okay? Our masks are gentle and may be used every day. I don't feel any tingling, which is good. I don't like to feel tingling, because then I think that something's wrong. Okay, I have some friend mail, but let me tell you the winner from last week. And it's a few sheet masks. I don't have them here to show you again, but the winner is Dawn Lindow. I think that's the proper way to say it. I could be wrong. Dawn, you can let me know if that's wrong. It's Lindow. And Dawn is a subscriber. She's been a subscriber for a while, and she's a great commenter. And you have won, Dawn. So please get in touch with me, and I'll need your address, and also acknowledge that you saw this video in this, in the comments below. And contact me, email or Instagram. And I have some friend mail also. So please congratulate Dawn. I didn't mean to skip over that so fast. I'm sorry. Just want to make sure I get everything done. Excuse me. I've been having a lot of, I don't know, seasonal stuff. That's what I'll call it. I did get some mail. And I hadn't been to my post office box in a few days. So these look like they might be Halloween things. So you know, it's probably my fault that they're late. Or it could be the post office. See, like this one is postmarked October 31st, but this one's postmarked October 26th. So who knows? But anyway, let's open them up and see what I got. Oh, all three of these are channels, so I'll put them all in the description so you can go see them. This one is from Miss Jackie Russell, and she's got some cute stickers on there. Excuse me. And I cut them all open so I could get into them easier. Oh, I love this card. It's so cute. Happy Halloween. I love it. It looks very old-fashioned to me. I love old-fashioned Halloween, Christmas, all that. You know, I love all the old-fashioned stuff. So cute. It says, "Hi, Mary, Smudge and Blue. Wishing you a Halloween filled with good old-fashioned fun. Wishing you a good one. XOXO, Miss Jackie Russell." Thank you so much, Miss Jackie Russell. Cute stickers in there too. Like I said, you know, the mail. And, you know, but it's the season. To me, Halloween isn't just the day, the 31st. It's the whole season. So thank you so much, Miss Jackie. Jackie has a channel, and I'm sure you all know these three ladies that I'm going to talk about. But if you don't, please go see them because they're just all really nice ladies, nice channels, good ladies. Miss Jackie Russell raises puppies. And you can see her puppies sometimes. She does the bark box. The dogs get to open that. It's lots of fun. And Jackie unboxes many wonderful boxes. And she's just such a lovely lady. She's very warm, very kind-hearted, just a good lady. You'll really like her if you don't know her yet. And the next card I got is from Brenda Davis. And Brenda Davis, her channel is Brenda Davis Scrappity Doodah. And here is the cute sticker on there. And on the front, I don't want to show her address, so on the front there's a cute witch. Cute as that. And Brenda is, she's a fun channel. She does stuff that she just looks like a regular normal lady. But she actually does dumpster diving, y'all, and she gets fantastic stuff. And she's a crafter, so she just finds the best stuff. And I just would love to live near her, so because I'd love to go dumpster diving with her. I've never been dumpster diving myself, except that we have a big dumpster where I work, and sometimes people come by and throw stuff in there over the weekend. And I've never been in there myself, but I have found things in there, and somebody else will get them out for me. But I have found some nice things in there, like furniture and stuff. But I'm going to cut this off because it keeps getting in my mouth. But Brenda just finds the best stuff, and it's so much fun. But like I said, I never... And also, some of the dumpsters she goes to, they're just clean. She just finds good ones. She knows what she's doing. So she sent me a cute Halloween card. Ooh, something fell out. Then let me show it to you right quick and I'll read it. Isn't that cute? That's so festive. I love it. Halloween greetings. Spooky, creepy, eerie. Wishing you a delightfully fun Halloween. Happy Halloween. Sorry this card is late. I love your channel. Oh, thank you, Brenda. I love your channel too. It says, "Mary Catherine, hoping you had a spooktacular Halloween. Wanted to send you a Halloween card. Sending you my channel sticker. Hope you enjoy it." Okay, so this is what fell out. This is adorable. Scrappity Doodah, Brenda Davis, YouTube. And she shows, there's her, it's a sticker, you know, and then there's Brenda, and she finds the best stuff. She finds the best stuff. You must go check her channel out. I think it would be so much fun. I think it would be fun to do it with her because she knows what she's doing. And then I got an envelope from Alma Tyser. And Alma has a channel also. She does some unboxings and she does some crafting, and she's been doing some collabs. Also, Miss Jackie Russell does collabs also. Alma's been doing some collabs and different things, and she's a great crafter. She does those diamond paintings, which I really don't know much about, but it's fascinating because she'll show us a canvas, and you know, of course, it's just plain, and then you put all these little diamonds, and it's a lot of intricate work, and then they're beautiful when they're done. And so go see Miss Alma. And this envelope is heavy. Like I said, I did cut them all open, so let me open this up. And okay, all right, let's see. Oh, let's see. I'm not sure. Okay, here's a card inside. And then there's a little something else. Let's see. Oh, this is so nice. Well, Alma, I just was thinking that was going to be Halloween, but it's sympathy to you in the loss of your pet. Thank you so much, Alma. That's so sweet. It says, goodbye hurts so much, but someday you will think of your animal friend with smiles instead of tears, and it will feel as if this little soul left a rainbow in your heart. And that's so true. It says, your friend, Alma. Oh, thank you so much, Alma. And then there's this is in here. And let's see. It's like it's from Walgreens, it says. Like a photograph kind of a sleeve. And it says it's a magnet. Oh, Alma, thank you so much. Oh, y'all, this is so sweet. This is, Alma went to Walmart and had this made for me, y'all. This is a magnet. And it is my honeybee. Look at how beautiful she is, y'all. Thank you, Alma. That is so sweet. Oh, I'm going to start to cry, y'all. Oh, I do miss her so much, y'all. But, you know, I just feel she really declined quickly at the end. I just feel like she had a really good 5.5 years with me because she was not treated well in most of her life. She was 11 or 12 when I got her. 11-ish is what we guessed. She wasn't treated well. So, and she was treated like a queen here. And I'm just glad that she was able to get that love. Thank you so much, Alma. That is so sweet. I love that. I didn't know that they do things like that. Isn't that fabulous? It's like fabric. I mean, like it's bendable. So, but it's a magnet. So that's going right on my refrigerator. Alma, that is so sweet. Well, thank you all, ladies, so much. And please go see these ladies. I'll put all the information below for all these channels. And Cece too. Thank you, Cece, for this mask. This feels wonderful, and it's about time to take it off, y'all. So I'm going to go and, because I know y'all have a lot of Mask Monday ladies to go see. And Dawn Lindau does not have a channel. But please congratulate her below for her win from last week, y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.